Well, we got ourselves another hot one today. I'm in shorts again, and I got the big ass fan ready to go. Cause this young lady, beg my pardon, I don't know her name, but she done lost her ball joint. So we're gonna go ahead and fix on that for her. Okay, I think we're ready to begin now. And I have the proper tooling. I found the proper tooling. Wish I could see, but I can't. I wish I could see, but I can't. I can just pop them off and call her a secret. Well, maybe we will DIY it a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and take the caliper off so I can swing all this shit out the other way. Oh, she's a little tight. She's a little tight. Oh, baby. You don't like it at all. You're not a life fan at all. Oh, babe. There we go. The best thing to do with brake lines and calipers is just let them hang. What's the worst that could happen? Oh, fuck, it is hot. I forgot to turn the fan on. That's why it's quiet and I'm talking, but actually I'm not going to let it hang. I like these little bungees. They're real nice. Except for when you got these things in here. Maybe I'll just clip her. I'll just give her the old clip stash. There we go. A little less tension on the brake line anyway. Oh, this thing is fucked. Her brakes are also totally shit. Write it down on the paperwork. I gotta figure out what I can strap this to. Huh. Walter, what are you doing? You got your ball? Oh, he's got two balls. He's got two balls over there. Son of a bitch. He's balling. I decided I'm going to pull the shock out because it'll take 2 minutes and it's going to free shit up a lot nicer, I think. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's been freed. She's been totally freed. There we go, I got all kinds of working space. Just get this shock out of here. I mean, not even have to get it out of there. I can probably bungee strap it over. Friggin' rights. Fuck yeah, boys. Oh, I'll use the heavy duty guy. I don't know, here, maybe here and there. Oh, ouch. Holy, good thing I got that on video. That's pretty fucking hilarious. That just fucking blew up in my face, Walter. Big time, bud. That son of a bitchery. No, this one's like a billion times too long. Oh, that should work. Anyway, I think these go down. And I'm pretty sure they don't have clip or anything. I think they're just press fit. Like hardcore, fucking hardcore press fit. So, go peel the boot back. Oh, you're not getting any of this. Sorry, guys. I'll just peel the boot back so we can get our son of a bitch around there. Probably could use a good amount of heat. So we'll heat that up. I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere else because I hate wearing this body harness. It's fucking stupid. And when I breathe, my gut moves it around. Big gut. And I'm sweating on my camera. Oh god. So yeah, I'm gonna reset this up elsewhere and we'll get back to it. And I gotta turn the fan on. Holy fuck. Watch out. Right back up or something. You gotta do something other than stand right there. That's for sure, bud. Just double check that it doesn't need a snap ring anywhere. Nope. At least it doesn't come with one, so I'm gonna assume it doesn't have one either. hot. It's hot. I need AC in here real bad. Real bad. If you couldn't tell. We kind of got like a year-round sweater thing going on. No good. Well, there she is, and I wouldn't be doing my due diligence if I didn't check the other side. But anyway, that should do it for this video. You'll probably see this car again. She needs brakes and some other shit, so... Oh no. Oh no. Her boyfriend must have put that there. Her girlfriend, beg my pardon. Could be either or. This is a V6, guys. Come on now. There's Trisha! I won't put you on the internet, don't worry. Oh, that part might be on the internet. You look pretty hot right there. So. Sexy. Just finishing up.